We're off to the boardwalk. What are we getting, Mama? Poutine. We went to the hockey rink, actually, that his competition's at tomorrow. He got weighed. He's set for both.
Hi, one poutine and one hot chocolate.
Would you like marshmallows? Yes, please. Gloomy out here.
Now, go to our competitor.
Grab it, Billy.
Actually, the poutine is good.
He saw me grab it.
Oh,
Woo! Actually, this is really good.
and what's
This
your
is good.
It's really good.
Hello!
Sure.
Calamari.
Yeah.
Cheers!
Try mine?
Yes.
You like the do LASIK?
Alcohol. That one's like rubbing alcohol. That's not too bad. That's the stuff. Very good.
I always feel like a little better with playing music.
Why, you want to push the ding ding?
No.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now.
Look, I changed career paths. I'm actually an engineer now. So I worked very hard to achieve this. Hickory sticks.
It says U16, I those.
Good luck! Bye.
And if it goes in the gold score, then it goes in the gold score, but three.
Yes. I think I just tapped out.
Now fighting on mat 2, Roland Lotus and Felix Alexandre Curtis.
Go back.
And put intermediate R2.
Come on, guys. Now wait.
Don't worry, I'll watch your match. Take it.
Come on back.
Now fighting on mat 1, Ryan.
Now fighting on mat number 2 is Matthew, Lucas, and Leonardo Lou. On deck on mat number 2.
Candice Verge and Sophie Hard.
This will be the last match on mat number 2.
Yeah, Felix.
Bravo, Baba.
Congrats, Baba.
Congratulations, Baba.
You did good.
He got 2 silver. He can come home.
Cause baby, like